Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. With PayRules, you can easily hide, sort, or rename payment methods. In this video, we'll show you how to hide a payment method based on the city using the PayRules app. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. Now, we'll use the search box to find the city condition and click on Select this combinations where it appears. Now click on the Add a Condition button. Then scroll through the list and select City. Here, for this video, we choose If Found and enter New York. Now set a name for the rule. Go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. For example, we will add Cash on Delivery and Alipay. Alipay payment method is not available in this list, so we will simply write the payment name manually like Alipay and click on Add Alipay option. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. This means if a customer places an order from New York, then at their checkout page, COD, Cash on Delivery, and Alipay will be hidden. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, Cash on Delivery and Alipay is visible because the customer is not from New York. Now let's change the city to New York and check again. Yes, the Cash on Delivery and Alipay is not visible anymore. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!